Hi, I'm Josh from ianacare, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the ianacare app. As you know, 90% of care is done while a patient is at home, so we've built an app specifically designed to help you mobilize a team of supporters who can provide tangible help like meal delivery, check-ins, and errands, as well as emotional support in a more private community. In this demo, I'm going to talk about three of the most impactful things you can do: building a team, requesting tasks, and posting updates. The first thing you'll want to do is invite people to join your team who are eager to help in both specific, tangible ways and provide the emotional support that you need. The most effective teams have more than 8 supporters, many of whom live close by, but also many people who do not and still can find ways to help out. There are 2 main ways to invite people to join your team. The first is by sending them an invite directly through ianacare. This is done in 3 easy steps. First, go to the category view on your home screen and tap Add Supporters to your team. This will take you to the team page. You can also get to this screen by tapping on the Settings button and choosing Team. Next, tap on Invite Supporter. From this screen, you can choose from 1 or more contacts from your mobile device by tapping their name. When you've made your selection, a text or email will be sent inviting them to your team. The other option is to copy the link to your team and share it on Facebook or in a group text, asking people to join your private team. To do this, just tap on Copy Invite Link and use it wherever you want. You can remove people from your team anytime, but inviting 10 or more is a great way to start. Now let's talk about how you can request help from your team of supporters. Oftentimes, people in your life will say that they're willing to help, but they don't know exactly what to do. By creating specific asks that are sent to the group, you're making it easier for people to say yes, and it's easier to ask because you're not managing a bunch of one-on-one conversations. That's why we routinely see over 70% of requests get fulfilled through ianacare. To create a request, go to your home screen and tap on one of the categories. We have built-in choices for getting meals delivered, coordinating rides, scheduling check-in calls and visits, help with errands and housework, assistance with child and pet care, and more. The more specific a request is, the more likely someone is to accept it, and it also ensures that you won't have 10 meals delivered one night and none when you really need it. Speaking of meals, let's look at exactly how you'd request a meal to be delivered. First, tap on Meals. Next, add a brief description. Then set the time and date you want the meal to be delivered. You'll also want to make it clear how many people the meal is for and add any details like meal restrictions or dietary preferences. Last, choose the address you want the meal to be delivered to. Once you're done, a notification will be sent to everyone on your team, and if someone accepts your request, you'll be notified as well. Finally, I'll show you how to post updates for the team. Posting updates is a great way to keep your team engaged, and because the app is private, you can share things that you might not be comfortable posting in a public setting like Facebook, like detailed medical news or how you're feeling on any given day. To post an update, tap on the Updates button at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap where it says Share Your Updates at the top of the screen. This will open a window where you can type and also gives you the ability to add a photo from your mobile device or take a new one. When you post, your team will be notified in the app and can comment or hug your post to show their support. If you need additional help using the ianacare app, please send us an email at help@ianacare.com or visit our help center online.